just as you touch on resources there, I've got a question. Gold will probably,
Sure.
if we do get a vaccine and the market takes a bit of a recovery, gold prices, which obviously have been going through the roof as of late, especially with uncertain markets. The question is, gold will probably take a hit. Wouldn't you think so?
Yeah, I agree with that. It's an interesting one that gold did exceptionally well for a period there, and again, it was linked, I think, to ultra low rates. So, historically, holding gold as a store of value actually costs money to do that. So, if you got your money in the bank account in a normal environment, you're getting 2 or 3%. That has an impact on the value of cash and cash assets, whereas it costs you to hold gold. Now, in the middle of this crisis, when central banks cut rates to 25 basis points, you had most of the European complex with negative rates, and the US got very close to negative rates as well. So all of a sudden, gold as a store of value became far more attractive. So you saw a phenomenal run in gold. It also tends to do very well in uncertain times. If you're the sort of person that likes charting and technicals, if you look at the gold price, the moving averages are literally kind of running in a triangle at the moment. So it looks like it could break either way, and you would want to either buy or sell the break. To me, I think the break is probably going to be down. As you say, if the world starts getting back to normal, and currently the market is not pricing in any rate hikes for a couple of years. But if we're sitting here in the middle of next year and you do have synchronized global growth, the world has to start thinking about sort of higher rates. So I think for the time being, gold's kind of had its moment in the sun. But if you're a technical kind of trader, I'd be looking just to watch which way it breaks. If, for example, we saw broad lockdowns happening again in parts of the world because of this second wave, then all of a sudden, I think gold will have another pretty strong leg up.